guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Carrie, aka Lashes Journey, and today we are transplanting out some aloe vera. And you guys know I use aloe vera every day. I drink aloe vera 30 minutes before meal. That's my special. And aloe vera has over 75 health benefits, medicinal benefits, so you guys can do your research on aloe vera. It is really good for digestion. It's good for a whole lot of things, so do your research, guys. So today I am transplanting out this aloe vera that I bought from the big box store. So enjoy the video, and this is how I transplant my aloe vera. I try to plant it a little bit in the sun, in the cool. So back here where I'm putting it is, we don't get sun back here until approximately 11-12 o'clock before we get sun back here in the yard. It's all the way in the back, and we have some pine tree over it, so I'm trying to make it stay a partial shade, partial sun, at least 4 hours of sun. So I put it back here. So what I do, I go ahead and dig a hole. I dig a hole, and aloe vera, when you transplanting aloe vera, when you planting aloe vera, it's not good for you to plant it too deep. So if you see, I just dig a not too deep hole to put my aloe vera in. So I'm gonna dig it just like that, and I go ahead and I had some soil from the soil that I get from over in the bushes. Also, I'm adding some black cow manure to it also, and I'm down here in Florida, so my soil is very sandy, so I had a lot of black cow manure to my soil. I amend my soil. I have to build my soil up for it to get all the nutrients and all the good stuff from my soil. So here I'm putting all the soil, and this is the big part of aloe vera. If you see, there's a lot of pups, or a lot of, we call it suckers back home. So it's a lot of suckers, or a lot of babies, or pups, whatever you call them, little things that's coming up around it, the babies. So it's a big aloe vera. So what I did, I go ahead and I take off the older leaves. And also, aloe vera is a good juice for your plant. So what I do, I blend up a lot of aloe vera, blend it up in the skin, just blend up the whole thing, and I fertilize my garden with it. I water my plants with aloe vera also. So it's like an all-purpose. Aloe vera is an all-purpose plant, so it's good to have a plant in your yard. I have quite a few plants around the yard. So what I'm doing, I'm trying not to disturb the rooting system. So I'm gonna try and shake it out. I already softened up around it, and these container, they're plastic, so it's kind of not so hard to get out. So what I'm doing right now, I am trying to get it out the pot without disturbing the roots. So there we go. So we get it out the pot, and I'm gonna go ahead, and I already fix my soil, so I'm gonna put it in, fix my spot where I'm gonna put it. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna drop it in the hole. Try not to bury it too deep, because you don't want to bury your aloe vera plant too deep. So that hole that I made, it's a little bit shallow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig it out a little bit more, give it a little bit more room. So I'm taking out some of the dirt that I fill it back up with. I don't want to bury too deep. You don't want to bury too deep. You want to keep the top of it at the surface. So I'm widening the hole so we can put this plant in. And I'm definitely gonna give you guys an update on this aloe vera in the next 6 months or so. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. Just keep growing. God bless you all, and thank you for tuning in. So keep growing, and that's all it is. There's nothing to it. You dig a hole, put in your soil, then you put that bad boy in, cover him up with some topsoil. It's just gonna be perfect right there. That's what I'm doing, just adding back soil to it. So I'm just filling it up back with soil, and after that I give it some water. And aloe vera, it do not like water. It don't like a lot of water. It like drain soil. So I'm putting it in some nice drain soil, and I've wiped out a few of my aloe vera plants just by overwatering them. I don't like to grow aloe in pots. I don't have much luck growing them in pots, so I like to put it in ground. It drains better and I control it better in ground.